কি হইলো?
Look here.
নাভিদও আছে না?
Worksheet.
না দেখতেছি না স্যার কিছু।
You don't see
স্যার
the
এখন দেখছি।
worksheet?
না, I can see the worksheet now.
No one sees the worksheet?
No, we can see it now. I can see it now.
Okay, okay. So how much we did, can you remember? How much we did?
Sir, I could, but due to some internal problem, I can't now.
Yeah. Navid, how much we did? Can you remember? We did.
Sir,
Awesome.
I wasn't in the last class, so I don't know what you did after.
Yeah, 7 we did. You don't see the recording?
No, sir, I didn't have the time.
Okay, so
You are a busy man.
yeah, so please check out the recording, yeah, and you have the worksheet, right? Printed worksheet. On your worksheet, you take all the notes. If you don't have the printed worksheet, as soon as possible, you collect it, right? So this one we did, 12 we did, right? 13 we did not do. 14 we did not. So we'll try now 13 and 14. 13, yes. Ahsan, please read 13 carefully and try to get the answer.
স্যার 13টা হলো মানে স্যার আমি করছি যে তো বি অথবা
Yeah, you read the question. Ahsan, please read the question and use your creativity to get the answer, your knowledge to get the answer, okay? Read the question.
A girl is jumping on a trampoline. Which graph shows the variation of the girl's velocity v with time t?
Okay, so trampoline, what is trampoline? That one, if you have the idea, then you can get the answer easily. What is trampoline?
কি স্যার এত বিশাল
What is
ট্রাম্পলিন
trampoline?
কি স্যার?
এগুলোর উপর লাফায় ওই যে বাচ্চারা যে খেলে ওই যে লাফায় না
The children
Trampoline.
jumps, jumps
ইয়েস
and
স্যার
return
ওই যে
back
স্যার
like
জাম্প করে
clothes, and there is at the bottom part like a spring. Okay, so they once they are
ওই যে
jumping.
লাফাইলে স্যার আবার উপরে চলে যায় মানে ওইটা?
Yes, yes,
ওই যে
yes.
স্যার
They,
এটা তো স্যার ওই যে মুন টুনে ছিল স্যার সৌদিতে
yes, yes. So trampoline just touching the ground and again returning back the jumper, right? Isn't it?
ইয়েস স্যার
So
Yes,
you
sir.
can also jump, not only the children, but that one should be a stronger one, right? The spring should be stronger
Yes,
one.
sir.
So
We all can
that
jump, sir.
in that case, we should now think of the velocity time graph. Yeah. What happens in trampoline when someone is jumping and returning back again, right? Going to the maximum height. In maximum height, the velocity is 0, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And after reaching maximum height, again returning back. Then again gaining elastic potential energy, again gaining velocity, then again going up, right? This way it's going, this way it's continuing again and again and again. So which graph is showing us the that motion? correctly or appropriately, that one you have to choose. This one is a bit tricky question, a little bit difficult question. So that's why
Okay.
we should we should be very much you know
Cautious.
careful during the motion, where it is maximum speed, where is the speed is zero, that one, huh? So when the speed will be zero, anyone can say when the speed
ওই যে
will be
যখন ইসে থাকবে স্টার্টিং এ
at the starting means where it is starting.
ওয়াই এক্স এক্সিস এর উপরে
Yeah, x-axis we know that is zero, but for the jumper, when the velocity will be zero, that one is my question. Like on the trampoline surface or on the maximum height where the speed is zero.
অন দি ট্রাম্পলিন সারফেস
On the trampoline surface, and also in maximum height, right? In both the cases the
ইয়েস
speed is zero.
ইন বোথ দি কেসেস ওকে
Yeah, so uh, and when the speed will be maximum,
স্পিড ম্যাক্সিমাম কখন হবে
when the speed is
স্যার
maximum.
স্পিড ম্যাক্সিমাম হবে when we hit the trampoline back
Yeah, just like before touching the trampoline.
ওই তো স্যার মানে
Yeah,
একবারে মানে 1 মিলি সেকেন্ড আগে ধরেন তখন
yeah, before touching the trampoline, the speed is maximum. Again, when returning back from the trampoline, that time also maximum speed, right?
ম্যাক্সিমাম ইয়েস স্যার
Isn't it? So
ইয়েস স্যার
that time the time is very short, right?
ইয়েস স্যার
So where is the time is very much short?
স্যার ডি কোয়েশ্চেন ইজ ডি দি অ্যান্সার
D is showing us time
Yes,
is
sir.
very short, right? And this part is
শর্ট ইয়েস স্যার
shortest time. So this part is showing us that moment when just before touching the trampoline and
ইয়েস স্যার
returning back from the trampoline, that time is very short, is shown in this graph D, right? So from
ওকে
here you understand D is showing us the motion of the jumper, right? That
ইয়েস
girl.
স্যার
So Navid, you are totally silent. Are you drinking water?
No,
Navid?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you respond also. You understood it. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Have you
Yes, sir.
understood option D? So
নট লাই বয়
Asan,
Yes, sir.
Asan, I brought some discussion here. Have you taken notes?
Yes, sir.
What you taken notes? You make a circle here. You make a circle here. Here. And here you take the notes that where is maximum height. Here is the maximum height, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
In maximum height,
Sir, here.
yeah,
Above
maximum.
this, sir.
Your maximum height, the velocity will be zero, right? And the speed is zero. Also, when it touches,
স্যার আপনার কথাটা ক্লিয়ার বোঝা যাচ্ছে না একটু
is it broken? The
ইয়েস স্যার মানে
sound is
দ্য
broken.
ভয়
Okay.
মানে
Voice
is
voice is
broken.
lagging, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it's okay.
ইয়েস স্যার
Okay, look here. The velocity is maximum here, right? At the bottom part,
আমার শুরু হয়ে গেছে 10 মিনিট আগে
isn't
ক্লাস
it?
Yes, sir.
So you label here what I am writing. You also label here that in this place here in this corner just before before touching the trampoline, right?
Yes, sir.
This one, huh? This place is just before touching the trampoline. Then this one, returning back from the trampoline. Trampoline. Okay. This one, huh? Maximum
Returning back from
velocity
the
here. And this zero is when touches the trampoline, huh?
একটু অন্য পেজগুলো একটু দেখান তো এসএসসি নিয়ে।
And this left side one is maximum height, huh? This one. Uh,
একটু না আমি বলছি স্যার একটু আগের পেজগুলো একটু দেখেন এসএসসি নিয়ে নিন।
when the girl reaches the maximum height.
স্যার এইটা তো দেখেই বোঝা যায় আসলে এত পয়েন্ট আছে।
We are writing because tomorrow you will forget. When I'll ask you, tomorrow you will forget and you cannot say where it is what. Okay, that's why I'm
Okay.
labeling all this. Uh, now we are done with this. Question
Yes, sir.
number 13. Now we'll go to question number 14. You already got the proof that the question already we
এক
did
সেকেন্ড
in
আমার একটু
worksheet. The same question I
Yes, sir.
gave you in topic 1 MCQ part, but you did wrong.
স্যার নিয়েছি স্যার।
Can
Okay.
you remember?
Me, I.
You, your friend, whoever. I mean all of you.
Oh,
স্যার ডান।
Our class.
so this is life.
That was
Class.
our class.
বিচ্যুতি তো হইলো হইলো একার হইলো না সবার হইলো।
Okay.
থ্যাংক ইউ।
So you see question number 14. You read. Farhan, you read.
And a stone is dropped from a height of 20 meters above water. The graph shows the variation with time of the velocity of the stone. Which statement describes the approximate position of the stone 4 seconds after it is dropped?
4 seconds
After it is dropped.
So you already saw the 4, right? 4 seconds.
Yes, sir. Sir, আমার তো মনে হয় 20 meter below the surface of water.
How?
না স্যার, কারণ ওই যে আইনস্টাইনের ল আছে না, মানে সেম প্রেসার অ্যাপ্লাই করলে সেম ডিস্টেন্স, মানে ওই যে থার্ড লটা অনুযায়ী।
Whatever you can show numerically right here.
Yes, sir.
So you have here the motion for 4 seconds, right?
Yes, sir.
So your first part of the motion is till the water.
Hmm.
Then after reaching till the water, then you have below water, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
first,
sir.
first you identify where is till the water, hmm,
In
or
the water, no,
till
sir.
till
Uh,
which time, how many seconds uh, you have reached the
তাইলে
surface
স্যার
of the
তাইলে স্যার
water.
বিষয়টা এরকম হইলো, ধরেন যে 20, মানে 20-তে ছিল যখন সে আছে 2-তে, আবার 5-এও এসে পড়ছে যখন সে 2-তে, তো 4-এ গিয়ে আবার তো লেভেল একই থাকে।
So that means you have listen. You are getting here velocity time graph, right?
Yes, sir.
So you should have in your mind this one that it is velocity time graph, and from velocity time
Okay.
graph we should get the distance. That one you should have in your mind.
Yes, sir.
The one we did several many questions before, right? Area under the graph.
Yes, sir.
So Asan and Navid, you should also give your ideas. Farhan, you also keep on thinking and try to get the correct answer.
স্যার এটা যদি স্যার এইভাবে বলেন যে আসলে কত মিটার কভার করলো, মানে
Yes, yes,
এখন পর্যন্ত
yes,
কত মিটার
yes,
কভার।
yes. That one I already gave you the clue. Area under the velocity time graph. You should.
স্যার এরিয়া আন্ডার দ্য গ্রাফ যদি আমি ক্যালকুলেট করি তাইলে 40 প্লাস 8,
Where
সরি
is
40 প্লাস
40? Where
10,
is 40? Where is 40?
20 ইন্টু 2।
Why 20 into 2?
ও সরি, এটা তো গ্রাফি না স্যার, পুরোটা ড্র, ও ভুল করছি, সরি সরি সরি।
Will you take 20 into 2, or you will take half into base into height, because your graph
ইন্টু বেজ
is
ইন্টু হাইট, সরি আই ডিড ইট রং।
this triangle is you showing you the
তাহলে
area
স্যার,
under the graph, right?
ইয়েস স্যার,
And your maximum height
তাহলে স্যার যদি
is
আমি, স্যার একটা সেকেন্ড একটু ক্যালকুলেটরটা নিয়ে এসে তারপরে স্যার বসতেছি, বাসায় ছাদে নাই তো স্যার।
yes, 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 sure, sure. Navid, I
I
expected
also
your Navid and Hasan, I expected your contribution in discussion. Why you are silent? Navid,
Yes, sir. Sir,
you always
we
silent.
can use the form. Sir, we can use the A formula.
Mhm. What
S is
formula?
equal to UT plus half. Wait,
Yeah,
sir.
we can use that formula, but we have much more easier thing, because area under velocity time graph giving us distance. Simply use that idea.
ওইভাবে যদি দেখি তাহলে সেক্ষেত্রে এরিয়া আন্ডার দ্য গ্রাফ ইজ হাফ ইন্টু বেজ ইন্টু হাইট। তাহলে কি স্যার বেশি দাঁড়াচ্ছে নাকি শেষ পর্যন্ত?
Huh, sir.
You
20.
listen,
C.
listen, listen. You have carefully listen. You have. I already told you at the beginning that we have here two parts of the motion, right? One is above the
Yes,
water,
sir.
another one is below the water. So above the
Yes, sir.
water, it reaches only in air resistance, and we have there almost negligible air resistance, we can think, and it's going with constant acceleration till here, right? So the maximum speed just before touching the water, we can understand the maximum velocity is 20, right?
Yes, sir.
After touching the water, it will decelerate, right? We understand it is
Yes.
decelerating. So here, like parachutist, it's decelerating and it's coming like here, and we have here terminal velocity, huh? We know terminal velocity, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So here we have this triangle. This area is for the distance traveled before touching the water. So it will be
Okay.
half into base into height, that is 20 meter, right? You check this
Yes,
one is
sir.
coming 20 meter.
And the rectangle's area
Yeah,
is 5
and
into 4. 5.
after
Hmm.
this,
5
the
into 2.
rectangle we have, how much the area of it?
10, 10, 10.
How 10?
স্যার
How
2
10?
সেকেন্ডের পরে ধরবো না আমরা?
Yes. Say you should
তো
explain to your friends, right? How 10?
4 minus 2, that is
Yes.
the time, and the velocity is 5 then. So it is 5 into
Then
2, which is 10.
10. So still your answer is C?
No, sir. Still my answer is D.
D?
No, sorry, আমি কি বলতেছি?
Below
Sir,
the surface of the water.
yes, sir.
Your total distance is 30, but below the surface of the water, how much? Is till here it is above the surface of water, right?
Surface
Before
of the
2
water.
seconds. So why
Below,
you
sir,
are taking
10,
that?
10 meter. Below 10 meter.
Okay, so what is your answer now?
Sir, C.
B, B.
Who said C?
V, sir.
Why? Why you
Sir.
said C? Below surface of the water 20 from
Oh,
2 to 4 seconds. It's 10, right? Just now found
10 মানে স্যার তাহলে স্যার
Hmm.
স্যার আমি স্যার ওটা খেয়াল
কনসেপ্ট
করিনি।
তো খুবই ইজি আসলে, মানে দেখলেই বিশাল মনে হয়, কিন্তু
So,
চিন্তা করলে আসলে খুবই মানে ইজি লাগে।
but it looks
কনসেপ্ট সহজ কিন্তু অ্যানসারের জায়গায় একটু সমস্যা। ঠিক এখানে তো
so. Now
শেষের
what
দিকে
is
একটু
your answer,
ঝামেলা আছে।
Hasan? What is your answer
বি-
now? Tell me.
স্যার কনফিউশন স্যার।
Still confusion. Look,
কাইন্ড অফ স্যার।
yeah, look here. Above the surface of water 20 meter, right? This much we got till 2 seconds.
হুম,
And after 2 seconds, how much you got? Only 10. That is below the water, right?
yes sir.
Do you understand what I'm saying, Hasan?
ইয়েস স্যার।
How it is 10? Because we are getting here only this surface, right? Only this
ইয়েস
area.
স্যার।
So this area is 2 multiplied by 5, 10.
5, 10,
So how much you are getting, 10 or 20?
10.
10 meter. That is below
Oh,
surface
sir,
of
I
the
was
water.
adding both.
That's what I'm saying. You are adding both because you are taking time from here, but you have to take time from 2 seconds, right?
2 seconds.
Because water starts here, right? After 2 seconds, isn't it?
Yes
Hasan?
sir.
Hasan, have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Navid,
Yes, sir. I
where
understood
is
that we need
Navid?
to take after 2 seconds.
Where is Navid? Navid, hello. Navid is there?
Hello, Navid.
Navid.
Navid bhai.
Navid is not here. Maybe he's away from microphone. Okay, our answer is Bangladesh.
Yes sir.
Okay, great. So we are done with 14.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 15 we did before. 15 already we calculated, right?
ভালো তো।
First one, that deep oil one, right? Can you
Yes
remember
sir.
this one we discussed? And
হুম
Farham
হুম
was
It's B answer.
calculating
It
both
is.
the parts. Yeah, all both of you were there. Then 16 now. 16 it's also simple idea, but many ideas
It's
together. That's
complex
why,
theory.
yeah, many ideas together. That's why you have to collectively think all of the diagrams together. That's making this
Okay.
question a little bit harder, as many ideas will use together here. Okay, so you can
Okay, no
see
problem.
now the whole thing together, right?
না স্যার এখন ছোট হয়ে গেছে একটু বড়ই করেছে
We need to
কোয়েশ্চেনটা পড়ে
make it.
আচ্ছা আমি কোয়েশ্চেন পড়ে দিচ্ছি স্যার one
Hmm.
of the equation of uniformly accelerated motion is shown s equals to ut plus half at square apparatus is arranged arranged to record the time t taken from a marble to fall between two light gates connected to timers. The marble touches the stop before it is released. The vertical distance between the light gate is measured. Which graph does not show a correct relationship when the light gate 2 moves up to light gate 1, which is fixed?
Yeah.
স্যার এটার কাজটা কি আসলে এটা মানে জিনিসটা তো
If I explain, then you get the answer. Before that, your sister actually what it is, how we will do
স্যার আরো এক
it.
দুইবার পড়লে আরেকটু ক্লিয়ার হয়ে যাবে
স্যার
অ্যাবারেজ
একটু
Yeah,
এর
you
নিচে
did.
নামাই দেন স্যার, তাহলে
Yeah,
স্যার
yeah,
সি
you
ডিটা আমার
did.
কাছে স্যার অ্যান্সারটা কাছাকাছি চলে যাইতেছি।
Yeah, look.
তো কোয়েশ্চেন ডেকে দিলেন
স্যার কোশ্চেন একটু করে দেন স্যার, মিনিমাইজ করে দেন।
মিনিমাইজ করলে পড়বা কেমনে আর সব দিকে সমস্যা
So
সব
আমি
দিকে
বলি
তো
এটারে
স্যার
বাদ দেন
প্রবলেম।
আমরা অন্য কোয়েশ্চেনে যাই
no, you finish it. It's nice question. How can you leave it? It's a wonderful question.
হ্যালো স্যার।
Yes,
কই
Navid, where
গেছিলা
are you?
হয়ে গেছিলেন আমি।
স্যার আপনার ডাক শুনছি স্যার, আমার ইয়ে জ্বালাইতে গেছিলাম, এই
What?
কয়েল স্যার। বাসা
Oh,
তো
mosquito
বাসাটার
আমি
মধ্যে
আমি খাওয়ার রুম থেকে স্যার ডাক শুনছি, তারপর
খাওয়ার রুম থেকে ডাক শুনছি কি ভয়ানক আমরা ডাক দিছি
Okay. So we are doing this one, huh?
ইয়েস স্যার
They
Yes,
are
sir.
saying, look, in the question, they are saying which graph does not show a correct relationship. That means here three graphs are correct and one is incorrect. For this
ইয়েস
condition said, that is, if the light gate is taken to the light gate one's place, then which one is not the correct relationship? Okay, the other things the marble
ওকে
drops and this motion right? And
ইয়েস
here
স্যার
air resistance negligible, so we can think of acceleration of free fall is constant, right?
ইয়েস
So we can easily understand D is correct, right? Correct relationship. So it is showing us constant acceleration, right? D,
ইয়েস স্যার
isn't it? Then A is also showing us constant acceleration, because displacement time graph, if you can remember, the shape of constant acceleration is this one, A, isn't it? Hello,
ইয়েস স্যার
can you remember that one? Please try to memorize the shape of the graphs. Then V, and then B. B, you see, we have S by T. S by T means what? Average velocity, right? Isn't it? Hello?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Average velocity time. That means velocity time graph, straight line, steeper straight line, that is also showing us constant acceleration, right? Isn't it? Hello? So A, B, D, these three are showing you correct relationship. Then C is showing you incorrect relationship, because here velocity time graph, the velocity, initial velocity is shown constant. Is it correct? Initial velocity is constant here.
স্যার এই কোয়েশ্চেনের যে কোয়েশ্চেনের ফেস তো আসলে আকর্ষণীয় হইতে পারতেছে
Yeah, look, simply you think that they are asking you correct which one is not correct relationship. So correct relationship, we are saying if one thing is falling freely with constant acceleration, that time you are having acceleration time graph, right? So acceleration time graph, constant acceleration is in D, right? You understand it? You see,
Yes, sir.
time is going, but the acceleration is same. So it is correct relationship. Are you clear this? D, option D. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So we when we are getting one question, that time we can use elimination method to get our answer. Sometimes
Yes,
we
sir.
use elimination method. This one is that type of question where we can use elimination type, method. So A is also displacement time graph.
হুম।
Yeah. So
এখান থেকে
displacement
এও বাদ
time.
স্যার,
Sorry.
এও বাদ তাইলে।
Yeah. A is also a correct relationship. So we cannot take
আচ্ছা,
this one. Then B, S by T. S by T means what? Velocity, right?
yes স্যার,
Velocity time graph, steeper straight line. That is also constant acceleration shown. So
হ্যাঁ,
these three all
তাহলে
are
এটা বাদ,
correct relationship.
তাহলে
Then
স্যার সি হবে অ্যান্সার।
C is the answer and it's showing that U is always zero.
অন দি এক্স
In,
এক্সিস, ইয়েস
in
স্যার,
this
ইউ তো
in
জিরো
this
সবসময়।
in this condition, yeah, is it zero? Like your light gate one is showing you initial velocity, right?
হ্যাঁ,
So if the marble starts from here, it reaches here, is it possible to be velocity zero here?
না স্যার, কেমনে ভেলোসিটি জিরো হবে? উপরে
So
উঠতেছে না, একটা তো ডিস্টেন্স কভার করতেছে।
so this one is not correct relationship. See, it's clear, right?
ওইটা, হ্যাঁ স্যার, ওটা তো ডিস্টেন্সও কভার করতেছে। এখানে তো বিষয় আলাদা, এখানে তো আর ওয়াই
So
এক্সিস কিছু যাচ্ছে না।
স্যার
now
গ্রাফ
this
পার্টটা কি শো করতে হবে? এটা কি মানে
now
মার্ক আউট
this one
করে?
is understandable
মানে
to
এই
you, right?
গ্রাফ পার্টটা যারা ক্যালকুলেটর করে যদি দিয়ে দিই কোনো
Now
সমস্যা
you
হবে নাকি?
understood it, right?
ইয়েস
Navid,
স্যার, আন্ডারস্টুড ইট।
Navid,
Yes, sir.
Navid. Again, where did you go?
No,
Navid,
sir, I understood.
yeah, you understood, but you are not saying I understood or I did not. You should say something, right?
Yes, sir.
Then we are left with 17. Today we do not do 17 because already we did some tough questions. If I do 17 also, then you might say, sir, today stop here. Okay, then 19. Continue 19, huh? Yeah, Navid read 19. I'm making it bigger.
A ball A ball is released from rest above a horizontal surface. It strikes the surface and bounces several times. The velocity time graph for the first two bounces is shown. What is the maximum
ম্যাক্সিমাম
height of
হাইট
the
অফ দি
ball
বল
after the
আফটার দি
first
ফার্স্ট
bounce?
বাউন্স। প্রথম বাউন্সের পর হাইট কত?
Yes, so this one is little bit similar to that one, trampoline one,
স্যার এটা তো
right?
আমি মনে হয় বুঝছি, আমি তো বুঝে গেছি মনে হয়, কেন জানি মনে হচ্ছে বুঝে গেছি স্যার,
First
একটা সেকেন্ড
bounce.
অ্যান্সার
So
বলুন।
you have to first identify where is the first bounce.
স্যার জিরো জিরো থেকে এই বাউন্সটা স্টার্ট হয়েছে।
First bounce. When there is first bounce.
ডিস্টেন্স বাই টাইম, ডিস্টেন্স বাই টাইম যদি হয়, স্পিড ইকুয়ালস টু ডিস্টেন্স বাই টাইম, ডিস্টেন্স ইকুয়ালস টু স্পিড ইনটু টাইম, ডিস্টেন্স ইকুয়ালস টু স্পিড ইনটু টাইম, সেক্ষেত্রে 3 ইনটু 0.3 is না স্যার, আমার তো আসলে মিলতেছে না অ্যান্সার। আমি যেটা চিন্তা করছিলাম যে আমি যদি ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের ফর্মুলা বসায় দিই তাইলে মনে হয় পেয়ে যেতে পারি।
No, no, it's not saying you how much distance is traveled. It's
না,
asking
ইট ইজ
you.
সেইং কত
It's
উপরে গেছিল,
asking you about the maximum height.
ম্যাক্সিমাম হাইট। জি স্যার।
Yeah.
তাহলে স্যার এখানে ফার্স্ট বাউন্সটাকে আগে আইডেন্টিফাই করি, পরে
Yes,
তাহলে
yes,
আমরা হাইট।
that is the point. Where is your first bounce? And already you
এটা
got
স্যার
the
কেমনে বুঝবো
idea.
কোন জায়গায় প্রথম বাড়িটা খাইছে?
You already got the idea in trampoline where it's
হুম,
touching the ground. That
হ্যাঁ
time is taking least time. That is the first
হ্যাঁ,
bounce, right?
আচ্ছা ওকে। ওকে স্যার।
Least time. Where is taking the least time first? That is the first bounce.
তাহলে কি এটা অ্যাভাব অফ দি সারফেস, মানে সারফেসের একবারে উপরে, মানে 1 সেকেন্ড আগে ধরেন?
So this part is that bouncing part, right?
ইয়েস স্যার।
This part is taking the bouncing part. So after this bounce, the maximum height you have to
ওকে
find. So your this one is sometimes you are seeing this is sharp, this is maximum. No, this is maximum velocity, right?
ইয়েস স্যার।
So maximum velocity will be taken just returning back from the bounce, right? From the
হ্যাঁ
ground. When it's returning back, that time it is maximum bounce. Then when it reaches to maximum height, that time the velocity is 0, right? Isn't
ওকে
it? So
হ্যাঁ
to reach maximum height, we understand is taking 0.20 seconds, right?
ইয়েস স্যার।
This time, this time will help us to get the maximum height. You know
ওকে
one formula, that is v square equals u square plus 2as, right?
ওকে ইয়েস স্যার।
So v square equals u square plus 2as. You write this formula first. You write this question
একটু লিখে
number.
দিবেন স্যার, আমার তো আজকে সমস্যা। তাহলে আমি রেকর্ডিং দেখে তুলে নিতে পারবো, বা আমাকে লেখার
You,
এটা
you,
খুলে দেন, আমি লিখে দিই।
you can do it, no problem. But uh, you write what I'm saying
অন
on
দি
your
স্ক্রিন?
copy, on your copy, on your copy.
না স্যার, আমার তো খাতা আজকে নাই।
Oh, so Navid, you can write
সেন্ড
on
আস দি
your copy,
স্ক্রিনশট।
right? You have the copy, Asan. You have the copy, right? You have the worksheet, Asan,
Sir, I'm writing on copy.
on your worksheet.
Not on worksheet, sir, on copy.
Okay, you don't have the worksheet printed,
I have, sir.
so you write there on your worksheet. You write here. You write the formula. What I'm saying: v square equals u square
Costs are those expenses which do vary directly with the level of output. Examples include raw materials,
2s, right?
etc.
So at the maximum height, your v is 0, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And when the ball starts its journey to reach the maximum height after first bounce, the initial velocity was 2, right? Is it 2, right? Minus 2 means 2. We can say 2. 2 is square. So it is 4. Can we write it 4?
Yes, sir. We can write
2
this.
square means 4. Then it's going upwards, right? If it is going upwards, then it will be minus 2 into 9.81, right? It's working against the gravity. 9.81 multiplied h. This is our maximum height, right?
Yes, sir.
H is our maximum height. So you calculate now. You can do calculation, right, Farhan? This
Yes,
one?
sir, we can do calculation.
Yeah, then tell me what is the answer of H.
Listen.
Calculate and
Hello.
tell me the answer of H.
I.
All of you.
Oh,
All of you do and check all of your answers.
এত কষ্ট দিবেন?
Yeah, what is the answer? Hey, is it very difficult problem? You are taking so long.
আরে না স্যার, এটা ডিফিকাল্ট, এটা হইলে কেমন হবে?
So you tell me the answer. You already passed 3 minutes. Yeah, Hassan, have you got the answer?
Doing, sir.
Sir, A.
What is your answer? What's your answer came? Calculation. In calculator, what you got?
Sir, wait, I have to check again. A.
Hmm?
স্যার আমাদের ক্লাস কি 10টায় শেষ স্যার?
Yes, yes. So you tell me your answer, Farhan, quickly.
স্যার আমি ক্যালকুলেট করি নাই, কারণ স্যার মানে জিনিসপত্র নাই তো হাতের কাছে।
Okay. Hassan, have you got the answer?
স্যার, আমার অ্যান্সারটা কেমন জানি আনডিফাইন্ড আসতেছে।
Sir, sir, 0.
হ্যাঁ?
Mhm. Say, Navid, say 0.
Sir, এটা 0 divided by ইয়ে হয়ে যায় না?
স্যার আনডিফাইন্ড আসতেছে স্যার।
Why is 0 divided by? You have 4 minus 2 multiplied 9.81 multiplied h. So you change the side. If you change the side, what it comes? 4 divided by 2 into 9.81.
Yes, sir. Now it comes 0.20. Sir, I'm using the old calculator, so dividing sometimes becomes
0.20.
hard. Yes, sir. A.
0.20 meter, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Same.
So how you
নাভিদ
did?
কি 991
So
এমএসটা ইউজ করতেছো? এফএক্স।
হ্যাঁ মনে হয়।
why you are thinking about fx, fr, whatever you see here? Four, just change the side. 4 and 2 you divide, then it comes 2 divided by 9.81. That's it.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
why you are making your life difficult? It's very simple one. Now you have only few questions left here. Right, 20, then 21, then you have we have also did 24. 25 is left. 25, 23, then 21, 20 left, and there was another one left before this one. Before this one we have this 17 left. So all are done except this. So we try this 21. A similar question we did in last class. Farhan, Hassan, we did a similar question in last class. Can you remember?
That's B answer.
You are saying B answer or C answer. You do the working, then you say, if we have four students, one will say A, another will say B, another one will C, another one will say D. Then of course one will be correct, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Only there is four options.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you say A, B, C, D, one will be correct. Is it the right way to answer, or you will say the calculation working, then you say, sir,
না
yes,
স্যার ক্যালকুলেশন ট্যালকুলেশন সব বলবো আসলে অ্যান্সারও তো ঠিক মানে ঝড়ের পক্ষে তো অ্যান্সার ঠিক হয়ে যেতে পারে কিন্তু মেথড তো ভুল হতে পারে
yes. So you should go for
মানে আমরা তো ঝড়ের
correct
পক্ষে
way.
মারি হাজার থেকে বেশি লাইক
স্যার আমরা তো স্যার ওই যে স্যার মানে ধরা পাওয়া।
No, no.
না না আমি ভাই
You
ধরা খাই
should
না আমি মেথডের সাথেই আগে আমরা
you
ধরতে
should
পারে না কেউ
explain how you did it before going to the answer D or B. You tell me how we will do this question. First, tell me. We did in last class. That one you have notes, right?
ইয়েস
Asan?
স্যার আই হ্যাভ অল দি নোটস এক্সেপ্ট টুডে
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that idea you should use. That time
ওকে
Farhan was saying, sir, this one is very simple. Why you are writing so many things? That is the reason I'm writing, so that you can remember, recall how how to do another question.
স্যার ইউ আর
Similar,
এক্সেপশনাল এটা তো স্যার জানি
yeah,
আমরা
yeah, similar question. You should be able to do, right?
ওকে
If you
স্যার
have the previous one, did you understood? So this one you must have to do. You must have to try at least. So try it. If one stone is thrown horizontally with one velocity,
হুম
then what are the
ও
conditions
স্যার এটা
required?
ওই যে ই ই মোশনের থিওরি না
Projectile motion.
প্রজেক্টাইল মোশনের থিওরি হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
Yeah. Projectile motion, two conditions we have. This is
এইটা
first
স্যার ফার্স্ট
condition.
কন্ডিশনটা
Yeah, first condition. So for that one, I gave you some very simple, ideas that
আইডিয়া স্যার
if you are throwing one stone this way horizontally with one velocity, the time it will take to reach the ground, the same time it will take if you drop any object from here at rest, right? Like you are just
ওকে
dropping one object, the time it will take to reach ground, and the object you are throwing with initial velocity horizontally also take the same time to reach the ground. That is the
ওকে
clue here. So use that clue to get this answer. Very simple. This one is simpler than the previous one we did.
ওকে
Just use this idea, you'll get it. So you have here the vertical height, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So you check to reach this vertical height to go to the ground, how much time will take. That time
Go
is
to
the
the
answer.
ground.
So get the answer quickly. You have the formula. If you are dropping any object, uh, h equals half gt square, right?
Yes, sir.
If you are releasing any object, that formula is h equals half gt square. So from that formula you can get the answer. Get it quickly.
Area equals to half gt square, na?
H.
Sorry. My bad.
H equals half gt square.
H equals
If
to
the
the half
formula
gt
was,
square.
listen, the formula is s equals ut plus half at square, right? But here
Yes, sir.
we have initial velocity 0. That's why it will be h equals half gt square. Why h? Because it is height. Instead of
Yes, sir.
s, we are writing h. Why it is gt square? Because half at square comes half gt square. Ut is 0, right?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Because your
স্যার আমি
initial
আপনাকে
velocity is
ফর্মুলাটা
0.
বলি স্যার, ক্যালকুলেশনটা করতে পারবো না কারণ আমার ওই ফোনের ক্যালকুলেটর এটা সাপোর্ট দিবে না।
Phone
স্যার
calculator
দি
also
ফর্মুলা
support you.
ইজ,
Hey, phone calculator also support
ইয়েস
you if you do the rotation. Huh?
আচ্ছা তাহলে দেখি তো
Allow
এক সেকেন্ড।
if you allow your phone to rotate, then you'll see that rotation horizontally.
ও
It will
হ্যাঁ,
come. You can get everything of calculator. Got it?
ওকে স্যার তাহলে আমি এক
Auto
সেকেন্ড বলতেছি
rotate.
স্যার আপনাকে।
That option you get more than calculator you have.
তাহলে স্যার হাফ জি
You
9.81 না?
yes 9.81. Now you check that one also. I gave you formula that. Uh, 2, you see here we have 2g, right?
ইয়েস স্যার।
So this
And
2g,
height is 8.
here half gt square, right? So this
Yes sir.
2h by g, it will be 2h by g, isn't it? Half. So this 2 will be multiplied with h, 2h by g square root, right? That is t. Get the answer.
Sir, one option 3. Sorry, option C.
Option C. What about others? Hey, Navid, you
বালকেরা
did?
পানি খেতে গেছে এবার স্যার।
Navid.
না স্যার, ওয়েট।
After calling 3 times, he responds, "Sir, yes, I'm here."
ও স্যার কোনো
You got
কর্মে
the
লিপ্ত
answer?
আছে।
So you got the answer?
No sir, I almost fell asleep sir. Wait.
Yeah. You write the formula.
ঘুমাই গেছে।
Yes
MCQ
sir.
21. Your formula you write 2h by g square root 2h by g t equals square root 2h by g. Okay?
Yes sir.
If you rearrange. So you put the values. Farhan already got which one? C.
সি।
Yes, C is the answer. 1.3. It's very
দেখছেন আমি
simple,
কিন্তু
right?
স্টার পারফর্মার আপনার ক্লাসের।
It's very simple, right?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Hasan,
Sir,
where are you? You got the answer?
Sir, I got 1.3.
Yes. You got the idea? I
Yes sir.
told you some simple rules. That is,
h is equals
here,
to half gt square.
yeah, you have one thing. Listen, remember. The time to reach the ground. If you drop any object, the time to reach ground, the same time it will be taken if you are throwing any object with initial velocity You are throwing the object horizontally, the same time will be taken to reach the ground. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So they are asking us, if we throw the stone with this velocity horizontally, how long it will take. So you see, simply use this formula, that how long it take to reach the ground if you release the object. And our height is given, we can understand. We can put the values here, we can get the time. That time, same time, right? It's clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Same way you will get the similar condition, similar question. You can answer, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hello. So we have only few MCQs left. Look, we have 23, 25.
25 to
Yeah,
50.
23, 25, and 20. These three is your homework. And this one I will do. Okay, 17 I will do in next class, but only these three I am giving you. Okay, 20, very simple. Many questions we did. Only these three left. I expect you to do this. Okay, try them. Huh?
Yes,
23,
sir.
25, and 20. Okay, these three only is your homework. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Huh?
Assalamu alaikum,
Best
sir.
of luck. Wa alaikum salam.